That would be lucrative in Boston, girl.
You can't.
Well, one, you can call them, literally. Your retirement, whoever your retirement people is. Who does ADP? So call the retirement money, the retirement funds will have a separate, different account than that. And you call that, whoever that is. I forget who it is, because it's not ADP with the retirement. But you could call them and ask them who they do, like who does the retirement fund. Because it's a different one. That's how I wasn't successful with. I had to sign up for something separate. But you tell them that you want to draw off of your retirement. You want to, like, withdraw off of it.